Welcome to the Murism channel, a place where we make very strange things with wood. Today I got one of these raw cups from the wood shop. I have a very old version. 4 or 5 years ago I gave it the shape of a root. And this time we want to do the same thing but a little better than before with better quality. I remember it had some flaws in that version. We will try not to have those in this one. After 4 or 5 years it really should be much more flawless than that version. I'll post a picture for you to see, definitely. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified quickly about the next videos. We will try to proceed with an educational approach. The videos will be useful. Let's go to the table. We don't have any special cutting work because we bought it ready-made, so we go directly to the work table. Well, my lovely friends, this is our cup and some lines and sketches that I roughly drew on the wood. And now we want to start something. We proceed just like this. For example, I like this part, the connection of this line that we placed here. And I start from here. Now, based on whatever our eyes tell us, we move forward. I want to work with this chisel. Because of the outward angle it has up here, it can also create a line for us. If I hold the chisel like this, it can also be used for carving due to the sharp edges and the deep space between the edges. I've come this far and it's really enjoyable. It's really enjoyable because I'm improvising, just going with whatever comes, and now I've realized that this can be the connection for this. It means it has reached this through these roots. And now I will probably send this under here and connect it to this or to this side. We have to see what happens. I really love this project. I truly love it.
I'm also using this as our support because it creates volume, and I can totally go and style myself.
Let's proceed a bit more confidently. Let's draw our lines a bit. I changed my mind, man. It's improvised, right? But we don't want the work as good as we can make it. Why not? I want to try to see if I can have something like drawn to the other side. What do you think if I went towards the handle? Now, for example, this goes down. And this one has gone here from the side. Well, I decided to remove this part because when you hold the cup, you can use these two holes. Also, if there's empty space here, you can place your finger in this part too. I prefer to remove this too and give this circle a shape so that it doesn't end up on the handle of the cup. I think it will be cooler and help with the look of these roots we're creating. I think it gives it a more natural feel. Let's go.
However, still, we must to achieve the result.
We must pursue.
Let's be... So, if we can...
Let's do this. We need to find a solution.
To be able to...
This
Work. We do.